الآن كلمة المهندس رشيد محمد رشيد وزير الصناعة والتجارة، يلقيها بالنيابة عنه الدكتور هاني بركات وكيل أول وزارة الصناعة والتجارة.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. صباح الخير جميعا. اسمحوا لي ألقي الكلمة باللغة الإنجليزية. His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Goueli, Secretary General of the Council of the Arab Economic Unity, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to convey to you all the greetings of His Excellency Engineer Rashid Mohamed Rashid, Minister of Foreign Trade and Industry, who was keen to join you in this important event, but unfortunately he could not join due to unexpected commitments. Therefore, on behalf of His Excellency, I am honored to present his speech. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure for me to join you today in the first Euro-Mediterranean Textile and Clothing Supply Chain Integration Conference and the inauguration of the GITEX 2005 exhibition in Cairo. This high-profile event offers a unique platform for all the concerned counterparts involved in textiles and its related sectors to get together to explore and exchange ideas and discuss all the related matters intended to highlight and boost all the possible means of mutual cooperation. Allow me to start by thanking everyone who has exerted tremendous efforts for this important event to take place. Special thanks is due to Sahara Group for their continuous effort in this sector. Honorable guests, industrial cooperation plays a pivotal role in the multidimensional process of the Euro-Mediterranean integration. The sphere of industrial cooperation is endeavored to create a Euro-Mediterranean area of shared prosperity in several aspects. First, the introduction of the Euro-Med Free Trade Area. Second, the implementation of economic transition. Third, the revitalization of investments between the Mediterranean partners. Fourth, the encouragement and development of an environment that will attract investments to the Mediterranean partners and among them. This integration, when fully implemented, will create a sound, competitive economic fabric in the Mediterranean area, strong economic and financial partnerships, sustained balanced economic growth, and job opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, Egypt and the EU are connected with strong ties, translated in trade relations, as well as the EU-Egypt Association Agreement. It symbolizes an important sign of Egypt's commitment to its ambitious program of economic and social reforms and the EU's commitment to assist in this endeavor. Indeed, the EU is Egypt's biggest trading partner, whereby trade currently accounts for 40% of Egyptian exports and 34% of its imports. Honorable guests, the textiles industry is one of Egypt's oldest industries. It has always been reputed for its high quality and high value products. Currently, the sector is continuously restructuring to adapt to the changing competitive environment. The sector is also focused in climbing up the value chain and positioning the textile sector in Egypt in a competitive international position. The textile sector in Egypt is one of the largest manufacturing sectors. with over 5,000 manufacturing establishments and total investments of over 30 billion Egyptian pounds. It employs nearly 25% of the industrial labor force in Egypt, accounts for a quarter of the manufacturing exports, and relative participation in manufacturing value added exceeds 30%. The textile industry in Egypt covers the entire spectrum of cotton processing operations up to apparel and garments. Ladies and gentlemen, Egypt is currently undergoing a new phase of development with a real commitment at all levels, at the government level as well as the business level, to deliver our desired vision. The vision which is based on transforming Egypt's industry and export sectors to become a knowledge-based and sustainable competitive sectors. In this respect, the vision of the Ministry of Foreign Trade and Industry came as a response and as a tool to achieve the Egyptian development strategy into effective, tangible outcomes. The main guidelines of our strategy can be listed as follows. First, bridging the gap between the industry needs and in technology and emerging market demands and technology services. Second, pursuing competitiveness along two parallel tracks. One seeks open new markets through international trade agreements. The other seeks to empower industry to compete by lowering protection, raising standards, and exposing manufacturers to the global obligations of international trade. Third, transparency, reflecting in trust and communication between the government and the private sector. Fourth, ensuring high participation in international agreements and organizations and efficiently integrating into the global economy. On the other hand, parallel efforts are being directed to restore market conditions, renew and consolidate infrastructure, dismantle bureaucratic barriers, and streamline policies to ensure that the economy is becoming one of the most open and internationally integrated in the region. Moreover, trade agreements complement efforts to build a local production base geared for global markets. The Egyptian-EU Association Agreement is seen as an important catalyst for growth and an anchor for reforms. Egypt launched the Agadir Declaration, establishing a free trade area with Jordan, Morocco, and Tunisia. We are active members of the Greater Arab Free Trade Area, GAFTA, that now links Egypt to 14 Arab nations in a single free trade zone. Our membership in the COMESA gave us preferential access to the African market. Free access to the US market is secured with Qualified Industrial Zone Protocol signed with the US and Israel. Last but not least, the ministry is also focused in the area of technology transfer and enhancing the competitiveness of the industry through technology. Therefore, the ministry is establishing a number of technology transfer centers to transform the Egyptian industry and export sectors to become knowledge-based, high value-added, sustainable, and competitive sectors, and to stimulate, transfer, and diffuse new technologies and innovations. In this respect, actually, we are very proud to announce the establishment of our Fashion and Design Center in 3 major areas, Cairo, Alexandria, and Mahalla Kubra, and also the establishment of our Textile Technology Center in Cairo and Alexandria. Ladies and gentlemen, we believe that teamwork is the key to success and development. This event is a clear example of teamwork. It is a promising step for the future of textile industry in Egypt. And I'm sure with our joint efforts, great outcomes will be accomplished. Finally, I wish you all a value-adding conference and a pleasant stay in Cairo. Thank you very much.
شكرا دكتور بركات.